hairband you will need fabric, hot glue gun, a hairband and a pair of scissors. Now take 21 by 6 inches cloth and fold it in half, first from this side and then from other side. Now take a pair of scissors and start cutting the way I am cutting it. Once it is done, now arrange the cloth from the center and tie a loose knot like I am doing here. Then take a plain hairband and insert the hairband from the center, loosening the knot. Place the knot on the center of the hairband and then cover the hairband with the cloth, like so. Then take a hot glue or any strong glue and stick the cloth on your hairband. You can simply follow the steps I am doing. Glue the end very nicely so your hairband is not visible. Repeat the same for the other side too. Take a small piece of cloth and insert in your knot to make it more fuller and more visible on your head. And your customized knot hairband is ready in just 2 minutes. I hope this video remains helpful for you. If it did, then do click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos every week. Thanks for watching.